Welcome to the Regrid property app. Today we're going to cover how to change a project's default location. This is useful because once a default place is set, every time you choose that project, you can zoom right to the area that interests you and get started. So the first step is to navigate to the new area of interest. Here I was working in El Paso, but let's say that I want to go to Minneapolis. I'm going to use the search bar here. You could, of course, manually navigate there as well, but I'm going to use the search for efficiency. You click on the search result that you want. You see the map updates and zooms you there. Furthermore, I can see that this thick black line around the place of interest is updated, so I know that it's looking at Minneapolis as expected. And then the final step to cement this in place is to go in the toolbar up to the top, click this project tab, and then within this tab, the project home section, you can see there's this prompt, save your project home to Minneapolis. If I click that, it will update. You can see that it changed there successfully. And what this means is that now if I navigate away, say I go to my dashboard, I can see that the place is updated here. And if I click back into that project, I'll get zoomed straight to Minneapolis so I can get started right away.